Look at the big train, Cody. Are you ready to go on an adventure? Here it comes, Cody. Such a big, colorful train. It is okay, sweetie. Let's take a big step together. There you go. We are riding on the train, looking out the window pane, clapping to the happy sound as we go to a brand new town. Smile for me, my little one. The train is moving, smooth and slow. Look out the window, watch it go. Trees and buildings passing by. Cody, look at that little house. And look, there are some cows. Big, beautiful train, Cody.
Wow, it is so big and colorful.
All aboard for fun, little explorer.
Hi, Mr. Conductor.
Choo-choo, here we go.
Riding on the train.
Sun or rain, choo-choo, choo-choo, hear the sound. Best fun around.
Goodbye, fear. I'm not afraid anymore. I love the big window.
They are very comfy.
But the engine is the best. It goes so fast. Wow, look at the beautiful hills. We are going on a fun trip.
Choo-choo, here we go. Rolling fast and rolling slow. Mommy's here, so don't be scared. Choo-choo, choo-choo, Cody's riding too.